Are you ready to know what's great? Because I'm ready to show you. Let's do it.
Brand new product.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. Today, you're gonna learn about 20 of my all-time favorite cleaning products for this coming year. And some of these don't even come from the cleaning aisle. Let's jump into it. Starting off with a bang, LA's Totally Awesome Cleaner. And if the proof isn't in the pudding, I don't know what is. This is the best degreaser you can find. 5-star reviewed on Dollar Tree's website. You can use this on carpets, upholstery, but I tend to use it outside on furniture, siding, and I really like pairing it with the microfiber cleaning towels. This is a brand new product and you get 2 to a pack. You can even use this stuff on stainless steel. I love reading the reviews and seeing how other people are using this product, and you barely have to put any elbow grease in with these microfiber rags. It's also a fantastic product to use on your automobiles. You'll have to leave me a comment down below with your favorite way to use this one. Speaking of cars, next time you're in Dollar Tree, go to the pet section and pick up one of these pet gloves. I keep one of these in the car to really easily clean out the bottom when you don't have time to vacuum. The kids can help with this, and you can even use this on your carpets inside. Up next, what do you think I'm gonna grab? That's right, a Dollar Tree duster. I've used these for years and years for those really quick dustings. They're perfect for high up frames and all of your light fixtures. And when it comes to keeping your home dust-free, I would be remiss if I didn't mention the furniture polish. My favorite scent is the lemon. This stuff absolutely stacks up next to Pledge Cleaner and works incredibly well. For more set-in stains on my surfaces, I use magic erasers. And if you didn't know, Dollar Tree sells an off-brand, and they also have 3 packs for also $1, so be sure to keep your eyes peeled. This makes it so you don't have to repaint a room, just magic erase the wall. The sponges are great, and the same deal. There's a 2-pack and 3-pack that are both $1. And these Scrub It Scrubbers are a brand new product. And I want you to pair it with Barkeeper's Friend, or you could even use Comet. Both you can find at Dollar Tree. It's great for any stovetop, whether it's ceramic or glass. Get it a little bit wet and sprinkle your Barkeeper's Friend or your Comet on top. Then use the brand new scrubber I just showed you. It's so easy to maneuver with your hand, wipe away with water, and you won't believe how clean your stovetop is. And speaking of your oven, I also love the $1 oven cleaner. I featured this in a recent video. You spray it on and let it sit for about 20 or 30 minutes, and all of that grime melts away. Have you ever left a pot for too long on the stove? Maybe that's just a me move, but the Brillo Basics Scrub Scour Pads are the best deal you can find. They are off-brand, but they work so well on all of your pots and pans to get those pesky stains out. This next one is making me so excited. Dollar Tree has a brand new section of the cleaning aisle where you can piecemeal products to clean your floors. They have 2 different pads, and what I love about these is there's Velcro on the back, so you can actually stick them to your existing mops. Whatever you have, I have a Swiffer here. There's one for light soils and heavy soils, and you know the difference depending on the color. My favorite is this fluffy pad. Combine it with the connector joint and your rod, and you have an instant push broom for just $3. And this absolutely rivals my O Cedar mop. It's perfect for quick dustings on the floor. And if you can't find that in store, look for the Hammy chamois. This is basically the off-brand of the ShamWows. So I'm sure Vince of ShamWow is not very happy to see this part of the video, but get it a little wet and you can combine it with your steam mop, wash and use again and again. We are not done. If you're enjoying this, be sure to leave it a big thumbs up. Up next is carpet foam. This you can directly compare to Resolve. I spray it on any stain I have on the rug and then just vacuum up as normal. Now let's get real. Maybe you have some really big set-in stains. Totally fine. Just spray this on and then scrub it into your rug. You can vacuum up, but I also like to pair this with a wet vacuum to get a really great clean. You don't even need a really quality one to do this. And once your carpet's all clean, to keep it smelling really fresh, I love the name brand Arm & Hammer Baking Soda Sprinkle. Sprinkle on your rug, let sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and vacuum up as normal. Moving on to the bathroom, I love the glass cleaning spray. And copper does too. This stuff is bomb.com. Just spray it onto your mirrors and then wipe into clean and buff away. You won't regret this purchase. And if you run short on time like me, pick up Tidy Bowl Cleaner. Basically, you just pop this off and sit it right in the top of your toilet, and every time you flush, it automatically cleans it for you. And the best toilet bowl cleaner you can buy from Dollar Tree is Lime Away. This has fully 5 stars. What product has that many stars? I don't know, but once you use it, you will also see why. This is one of the only toilet bowl cleaners we buy.
Of course, we gotta get the Barbasol, not just for shaving and slime.
Did you know you could use shaving cream to sparkle up your chrome fixtures? You just want to use a microfiber rag to rub this on and they will shine like new. Here's the before and after. Maybe when you were in Dollar Tree, you may have seen the little drain snakes and wondered, do those work? They absolutely do and are a fantastic purchase for just $1. And of course, to keep your countertops disinfected and clean, I have talked about Spick and Span all the time. You can get this for a little under $1 at Walmart, but it's a great way to clean all of your bathroom countertops. And number 1 is a fun hack to take a rubbing alcohol container. You can actually screw a spray nozzle right on from another bottle, and you can use this around your home to spray light fixtures or doorknobs to keep everything disinfected. We could all use a little more of that this year. I don't know about you guys, but I'm so ready for a fresh, clean start. Man, am I glad you're here. You hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, join the Dime Tribe. I have so many upcoming videos. I just can't wait to share. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being you, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.
Look at that junk.
I did. I got a lot, didn't I?
This is Legos.
Oh, thank you. I'm glad you found that. Push brooms are good for a lot of stuff.